What's up, Whalers? It's Karma, and welcome back to Campus Update. It's finally pumpkin spice and sweater weather season, so happy fall. With that being said, here's Jason with some more information about our fall musical, Titanic.
What's up, Whalers? Jason here. Theater department is releasing a new show for the next 2 weeks, Titanic the Musical. The sinking of the Titanic in the early hours of April 15th, 1912 remains the quintessential disaster of the century. The crew have been working really hard on it and using their free time to practice, make sets, make costumes, etc. So it would be great if you check it out and show your Oiler spirit. Titanic the Musical will be coming out Thursday and Saturday for the next 2 weeks. See you there.
Thank you, Jason, for the information. And don't forget, tickets are now on sale. Have you been wondering what's happening over in the quad with all that construction? I have too. Here's Elliot with more information.
Hey Oilers, there's been a lot of great changes to our favorite campus, one of which is our new quad. The new quad appears to have more walkways for easier mobility among students, as well as a nice symmetrical design with a circular shape at the center. Although it is not finished yet, it looks like it will be a great addition to the campus.
Hey guys, it's Cooking with Karma. This is what we're going to be making, a funfetti cake, but with Oreos instead of funfetti, which is basically sprinkles. So the first thing we need to do is preheat the oven to 350. We need to spray our pan. Because we don't want our cake to stick, we open it. So we're going to pour it into my KitchenAid. Half cup oil. Perfect. We just poured in my water and my oil. So now we're going to get 4 egg whites. Okay, so we just plugged in my KitchenAid, and now it's gonna be mixed all together. Okay, our cake mix is all poured into our pan, and we're going to stick it in the oven now. Okay, so we set the timer for 25 minutes on the microwave, so while that's waiting, I'm gonna do the dishes, because we have to clean up as we go here, so we don't get a bigger mess at the end. Okay, so that's the finished product of my funfetti Oreo cake. Now let's get some taste test from my fam. How does it taste, Keenan?
Good.
Okay, say bye.
FYI, that cake was delicious. Do you know anything about origami? Well, neither do I. Here's Everett and James to teach us more. It's fire. Trust.
Everett Miller here, and we will be presenting origami history. Me, James, and Savannah are doing demonstrations of making a few origamis while I talk about the history of origamis. The origamis we will be making is a ramp, a swan, and a heart. Origamis was invented by the Japanese culture. A guy named Azu Yohashian started to experiment with origamis. They were first invented during the 6th century of Japan. They used origamis for religious, ceremonial purpose only. Origamis was a symbol of hope and healing during the challenging times they had in Japan.
Wow, I never knew origami could be so exciting. Now from cake to cafe, here's Angel with our HB Bites of the Week.
Hey Oilers, it's me, Angel V, and today I'm going to be introducing you to a restaurant called Cafe Caldo. Cafe Caldo is a relaxed, steampunk-themed cafe and espresso bar, featuring a seasonal menu of Italian fare, and it's perfect for breakfast and brunch. It's open from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. every day except Mondays when it's closed, and is located at the Beach Promenade. The restaurant is rated 4.7 stars on Yelp, and it definitely lives up to its ratings. From amazing foods like the salmon ciabatta and the Italian mebli frittata to delicious drinks such as the zebra latte and the Turkish latte. Right here we have the Cafe Caldo latte, which is white chocolate with hazelnut, and the Benedict ciabatta, which consists of ham, poached eggs, homemade cheese sauce, fresh baked ciabatta with the choice of roasted potatoes. The Cafe Caldo latte is delicious, to say the least, for its creamy texture that makes you feel all warm inside. The Benedict ciabatta makes your mouth water before you even eat it with its amazing smell. But the food itself is so flavorful and tasty that you can't stop at just smelling it. The place has an amazing ambiance where it's very cozy and has amazing decorations that really make this place come alive. I 100% recommend Cafe Caldo to anyone willing to try this amazing food, so go try it.
Thank you, Angel. Well, that's all for today. See you next week.